on, guys? So it's October 23rd, about 37 degrees, real feel 28 degrees, and we're gonna start loading up, getting the RX8 ready for Kansas City Drift's Monster Bash. I think that's what it's called, but yeah, we're gonna go drifting tomorrow. I got a set of KR20s that I need to burn off, so I'm gonna go out there and have a little bit of fun. Let's do this.
Stop this conversation. We got no relation. I have come, it's all losing my control. It's gone. It's crazy. Save me from my isolation.